Okay, so I made a longer video for those who are still struggling with fair value gaps and finding good entries. We are only going to be trading with $1. I mapped out this fair value gap here, and I entered based on the wick that swept this high, giving me the signal that the next candle is going to go down. We're doing well so far with a pretty good high win rate. Don't rush it, just take your time. We're only risking $1. Now, it's good to note that when candles push through a fair value gap, it is considered to be disrespected or inverted. There are a lot of ways you can play this. What I typically do, I wait for a candle to close inside the gap. Then I enter. Now, this was a loss due to the pullback, but you can still wait for all candles to push outside of that gap and then take a buy trade. Now, this is another entry I look for. Once my 3 candles have formed on a sell side fair value gap, I enter on the next candle going down. This has been about an 80% win rate for me on this particular entry. Try it and see what you think. So let's test that entry again. Got it? Okay, for this entry, we're starting a downtrend. That second candle push. Now right here, we have pushed out of the gap, making a new high, so I waited for the reversal on the next candle. This fair value gap has been respected. Price entered and failed to go higher with this long wick, which is why I took a sell. But I did get caught up in the pullback. Doesn't matter. I waited because price formed a doji morning star, and we've talked about that before. Big rejection here with all these wicks. Price is failing to go higher, so again I took a sell on the next candle. Still going strong, but again, it's not a competition. We're going to take our time. Seize the opportunity with this strong downtrend. Last one. Now this is another respected fair value gap. Price touched inside this gap and it rejected. When I see that long wick, I'm going to take a sell on the next candle. So practice in the demo when you can. Don't overdo it. Just risk $1. I do hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video. Follow for more.